Welcome back to my channel. LinkedIn Ads Manager explained. What is it and how to use it? In today's digital marketing landscape, advertising platforms are plentiful. Yet, when it comes to reaching a professional audience, LinkedIn Ads Manager stands out as the go-to tool. It is designed specifically to help businesses target decision makers, industry leaders, and professionals who actively engage with content relevant to their careers. Whether you are a small business aiming to build brand awareness or a large corporation generating qualified leads, LinkedIn Ads Manager offers the right blend of targeting, customization, and performance tracking. This article will explain what LinkedIn Ads Manager is, why it's important, and how you can effectively use it to drive measurable results for your business. What is LinkedIn Ads Manager? LinkedIn Ads Manager is LinkedIn's centralized platform for creating, managing, and tracking paid advertising campaigns. Think of it as LinkedIn's equivalent of Facebook Ads Manager or Google Ads dashboard, but tailored for B2B marketing and professional networking. The tool allows marketers to create different ad formats: sponsored content, message ads, dynamic ads, text ads, etc. Target audiences with precision based on job titles, industries, skills, seniority, company size, and more. Monitor campaign performance in real time with detailed analytics. Optimize ads for specific objectives, like lead generation, website visits, or engagement. Essentially, LinkedIn Ads Manager is your command center for running campaigns that focus on reaching professionals in a business context. Why use LinkedIn Ads Manager? While other platforms like Facebook and Instagram focus on lifestyle-driven marketing, LinkedIn Ads Manager is unique because it connects brands with professionals who are actively thinking about their careers, industries, and business solutions. Here are the top benefits. 1. Highly targeted audience. LinkedIn offers unmatched audience segmentation. You can target based on job title, company size, seniority, skills, or even educational background. This precision ensures your message reaches the right decision makers. 2. B2B marketing advantage. For companies selling products or services to other businesses, LinkedIn provides the perfect environment to generate qualified leads. 3. Professional context. Ads appear in a feed where people are already looking for insights, networking opportunities, or solutions to professional problems. This context improves engagement quality. 4. Robust analytics. Ads Manager provides detailed insights on impressions, clicks, conversions, and engagement metrics, allowing businesses to refine campaigns. 5. Scalable advertising options. Whether you're running a small budget test or a large global campaign, Ads Manager supports scalable solutions. Key features of LinkedIn Ads Manager. Before diving into how to use it, it's important to understand its core features. Campaign Manager Dashboard, the main hub for managing all your campaigns, ads, and budgets. Campaign objectives. Options include brand awareness, website visits, engagement, video views, lead generation, and conversions. Ad formats: sponsored content, sponsored messaging, text ads, and dynamic ads. Audience targeting: filters like job, function, seniority, industry, skills, and even retargeting through LinkedIn Insight tag. Budget and bidding: options for daily or lifetime budgets, along with manual or automated bidding strategies. Analytics and reporting: real-time performance data with exportable reports. How to use LinkedIn Ads Manager. step-by-step guide. Here's a practical breakdown of how to get started with LinkedIn Ads Manager. 1. Set up your ads account. Go to the LinkedIn Campaign Manager platform. Link your LinkedIn company page required to run ads. Enter your billing information and select currency preferences. 2. Choose a campaign objective. LinkedIn Ads Manager is objective-based. Your options will align with the buyer's journey: awareness, brand awareness, consideration, website visits, engagement, video views, conversion, lead generation, website conversions, job applicants. Your chosen objective dictates the ad formats and optimization strategies available. 3. Define your target audience. This step is where LinkedIn shines. You can narrow down your audience using demographics, location, age, gender, professional filters, job title, company size, industry, education, skills, seniority, matched audiences, retarget website visitors, upload contact lists or target LinkedIn profile matches. The precision here ensures you're reaching the most relevant people for your campaign. 4. Select your ad format. LinkedIn offers several ad types: sponsored content, native ads that appear in the LinkedIn feed, single image, carousel, or video, message ads in mail, direct messages sent to LinkedIn inboxes, dynamic ads, personalized ads that use a member's profile data like name, photo, text ads, simple ads that appear on the right-hand column. Choose the format that aligns best with your campaign goal. 5. Set budget and schedule. You can set daily budget, spend a set amount per day; lifetime budget, spend a fixed total amount over the campaign's duration; bidding strategy, manual CPC, cost per click, CPM, cost per 1,000 impressions; or automated bidding. Schedule your campaign to start and end on specific dates or keep it running continuously. 6. Build your ad. Add ad copy that's concise and professional. Include a strong call to action CTA, like download now, learn more, or sign up. Use high-quality images or videos that resonate with your audience. 7. Launch and monitor. Once your ad is live, monitor it in the Ads Manager dashboard. You can track impressions, click-through rate, CTR, conversions, cost per lead, corporal. Use A or B testing by running variations of ads to see what works best. 8. Optimize your campaign. Based on analytics, refine your audience targeting, adjust budgets or bids, improve ad creatives and copy, reallocate spend to top-performing campaigns. Optimization ensures your investment delivers maximum ROI. Best practices for LinkedIn Ads Manager. 1. Keep copy professional yet engaging. Since the audience is professional, balance formality with relatability. 2. Use visuals that stand out. Avoid generic stock photos. Use branded graphics or industry-relevant visuals. 3. Leverage LinkedIn Insight tag. Install it on your website to track conversions and build retargeting audiences. 4. Test multiple formats. Don't rely on one ad format. Experiment with sponsored content, message ads, and videos. 5. Start small and scale. Test campaigns with modest budgets before scaling up. 6. Focus on quality leads, not just clicks. LinkedIn ads are costlier than Facebook ads, but they usually deliver more qualified prospects. Conclusion: LinkedIn Ads Manager is a powerful tool for businesses aiming to connect with professionals, generate high-quality leads, and establish authority in their industries. Unlike other advertising platforms, it provides unmatched audience targeting capabilities rooted in professional data. By understanding its features and following a structured approach, setting objectives, defining audiences, choosing the right formats, and monitoring results, you can maximize ROI and build long-term business value. For B2B marketers, LinkedIn Ads Manager is not just another ad tool, it's an essential platform for growth in the digital era. Thanks for watching.